Hi everyone. For this project, I would like to make something more simple programs, also interactive using Toby, and also may help educate you all by using a Python logic, especially to help people to understand how arrays and search operations is work. So I built this project called Toby Search in Array. So I would like to share the program for okay, this one. The program is built by using PictoBlox AI. Okay, and I would like to share the ideas. We have a list of number here, and Toby will ask every single user to who wants to interact with the with Toby and type a number to check whether it number is exists in the list or not. Instead of making it plain, so I would like to uh, making Toby as your friend, a friendly character who talks to the user and make the experience more engaging. So it's a great way to introduce the in operator, list, conditional, and add-on. To record the explanation here, I would like to initialize sprite name Toby and edit a sample array here and some functions such in array. I would like to add numbers by getting input by users and whether the number is exists. I would like to make a Toby says that the number is in array, and if the number is not exist, I would like to say Toby to say number is not in array. So the first time the Toby will ask the user to press the S number as a key to search in the number in array. Okay, that's all. The Toby will respond the true with the true or false depending on the result of the users. So I have created a number of search game with the Toby, and Toby will respond so friendly with the way true or false. The simple project is a fun way for me to practice my experience in Python by using arrays, input conditions, and also loops with a little help from my friends Toby. Okay, that's all. Bye.